Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're coming back, thank you for coming back to watch. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare rice, that is coconut rice. So our ingredients today are rice, 1 cup. We have onions. We have coconut milk, oil, carrots here. Yes, so let's do this. So we heat up our sufuria, then add our oil. Then next add our coconut milk. Stir that. After giving them some seconds to boil, then we add our rice. Mix that up. So you mix well before you add water, and that's hot water. So you make when you see it starting to stick, add your water. 2 cups because we had 1 cup of rice, so 2 cups of hot water. So you mix your rice and water, then add salt to taste. Then mix up. So because my hot water was super hot, I'm going to reduce the heat as usual. Reduce the heat because we need that rice steaming, not boiling. So reduce the heat. Yeah. So cover it up. Cover your rice. Give it time till it's cooked. In the meantime, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video if you like it, share this video, and subscribe. Thank you. So at this stage we're going to add our carrots, grated carrots. Do not mix, just spread them out. Just spread the carrots like that. then cover up back again. Let's check our rice now. See, it's ready. It's good to go. See, it's fluffy. It's fluffy the way you wanted it. So next I'm going, you remember our onions? I'm going to fry the onions, then do the toppings. Okay, our rice is good to go. Let me prepare the onions and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So next we're going to fry our onions. So I'm going to add some oil. Enough oil because I need them well fried. Then allow this oil to heat up, then add my onions. So in the meantime guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of such videos, easy videos, easy recipes, the way you've seen. That's very, and that rice is normally very tasty. Just try it. Coconut milk is readily available in the supermarkets. Yeah, any brand can work for as long as you know how to do it. So the way I've just done it, yeah, it's very easy. So please subscribe if you've not. Support your girl here. Motivate me to do more of such videos, please. Okay, so and if you need me to do any other recipe, just comment down there. Say I want you to do this for me. Maybe I want to see how you do this. Yes, if I know how to do it, I'll gladly do it. So in the meantime, let me check on my onions. So let's check our oil. The oil is good to go. Add our onions. To fry these onions till golden brown. I need them golden brown. So there are our onions, almost ready. Need them brown. And they're usually very tasty. Even when making any other food, just try this. Deep fry your onions. Hata kama chakula ni mbaya, tabadilika taste. Deep fried onions. I don't know if you remember the mkarango we used to have back in high school. The mkarango, yeah. Now this is mkarango I'm trying to make. And then add on my rice. So after frying these onions, I'm going to sieve them so that I can separate the oil. I don't need this much oil in our rice. I already put enough oil, so I'll sieve this and separate. Here are the onions, ready to go into the rice. See, make sure your onions are this brown, not dark brown, but brown. Yeah, like these ones. You can literally eat these onions the way they are. Okay, let's mix them up. To our rice, we add our onions. Then you can mix that up. me serve and then show you the end result with the stew I have just made. There is our rice. Just have a look or have a taste. Yep. Served rice. So let me serve the stew and then show you how they look together. There is our rice, coconut rice with onion toppings, fried onions. Very tasty, I can assure you, it's very tasty. And that's our beef goulash. That recipe is in my channel. You can check it out, how to prepare that beef. Very tasty. Yep, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of such videos. Thank you. And like, share, comment what you think. Comment after trying this recipe. Just come back and say you tried it and then tell me how it was. Yeah, that's it from me. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for always coming back. If you're new, please subscribe for such videos. Thank you and have a good time. Goodbye.